Hello students, today I again welcome you in this video lecture of class 7th chapter 2. Today we are going to discuss the chapter 2 numericals. So I start my lecture with the first question number 1. Find the equivalent fraction of 3 upon 4. So student, in the previous classes we have learned about the fraction and now we are going to find the equivalent fraction of 3 upon 4. Beta, what you have to do in the equivalent fraction, suppose 3 upon 4 is there, just multiply with the same number except 1. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and so on. To numerator and denominator. Here we have taken 2 on both the sides. So 3 2s are 6, 4 2s are 8. So you got your equivalent fraction 6 upon 8. Again I repeat, to find the equivalent fraction you have to multiply on the numerator and the denominator by a number which is same. Here we have taken the number 2 in the denominator, 2 in the numerator. 3 2s are 6, 4 2s are 8. So the equivalent fraction of 3 upon 4 is 6 upon 8. Next question. Find 3 equivalent fractions of 2 upon 3. Now again you have to find equivalent fraction. How many equivalent fractions you have to find? 3 equivalent fractions. So first write 2 upon 3 here like this. Now multiply by 2 on both the sides, numerator and denominator. 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6. Again write 2 upon 3. Multiply by 3 and 3. Both the sides, numerator and denominator. 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. Again one more number, 2 upon 3 as it is, 4 upon 4 से multiply किया आपने. 2 4s are 8, 3 4s are 12. So in this way you can find as much as you want the equivalent fractions by multiplying the numbers. So the equivalent fractions are 4 by 6, 6 by 9 and 8 by 12. Next question. Find, now you have to do divide in this particular question. 36 divided by 100. Now see student, 36 upon 100 is written. Now count the zeros. How many zeros are there? 1, 2. So write first 36 as it is, 36. Now 2 zeros are there. So from the right side count 1, 2 and place the point here and put a 0. I again repeat, count the zeros first. As you can see here, how many zeros are there? 2 zeros. So write the number 36 again and 1, 2 and place the point. Question number B. 0.98 divided by 1000. Before going to C part, first we do the B part. 98 divided by 100. So write 98 by 100. Now count the zeros 1, 2. Place the point before 2 places, 1, 2 and place the point. Third question. 0.98 divided by 1000. First write 0.98 upon 1000 as it is. Now here already point is there. So first you have to remove this point. So you have removed this point and count 1, 2. How many digits are there? 2 digits are there. So 1, 2. Place 100 here. If 3 digits are there, you have to place 1000. 4, 10,000 and so on. Here 2 digits are there, so you have put it 100. Now count the zeros 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So write this number 98 and place the point at 5th place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 point. In this way you can solve the division. Next question number 3. Write the fraction of shaded region. So as you know, fraction is a part of whole, and count the separations. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 parts, 1, 2, 3, 4, and you have to find the shaded region fraction. So how many shaded are there? 1. See 1 shaded, so write 1 in the numerator, and total are 4, so write 4 in the denominator. Now in this, how many parts are there? 1, 2, 3, and the shaded part is 1 this, so 1 upon 3. Next question. Find the reciprocal of 2 1 by 8. So first you have to convert this mixed fraction. 8 into 2, how much? 16. 16 plus 1, 17. So written as 17 upon 8. Again repeating. You have to multiply this to this. 8 2s are 16. 16 plus 1, 17. 17 upon 8. And just do the reciprocal. 8 upon 17. रेसिप्रोकल मतलब क्या होता है बेटा? उल्टा करना. न्यूमरेटर को डिनोमिनेटर बनाना है और डिनोमिनेटर को न्यूमरेटर. थैंक यू.